Zippy, Leo and I are going to learn about A to Z today. A is for apple and B is for ball. Ding.
C is for colorful cat. D is for loud drum. And E is for huge elephant. We are doing great, friends. F is for pretty fan. G is for green grass. And H is for a warm hat. Look at those things. I is for cold ice. Clink. J is for sweet jam. And K is for a flying kite. See them high up. L is for brave lion. Roar. M is for bright moon. And N is for a cozy nest. This is so cool. O is for round orange. P is for green parrot. And Q is for a royal queen. Wow, so many letters.
R's for hopping rabbit, boing. S is for hot sun, and T is for a fast tiger. We are almost done.
U is for purple umbrella. V is for blue van. And W is for cool water. Let us keep going now. Splish. X is for loud xylophone. Y is for yellow yo-yo. And Z is for a striped zebra. We did it all. Ding! We learned so much today. Friends, please subscribe and ring the bell icon. See you soon for more fun adventures together. Yay!